Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Edge browser on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store app. For me it's located right here, but you can also find it somewhere in your main menu right here. So let's just open it, and from here just press on the top of the site right here in the search bar and start searching for the Edge browser. Click on the loop right here, and you should already see the browser you're looking for. So let's just click on it and select install. When it's done, click on the open. From here you can add the account to sync your PC or any other device. So I'm not gonna do that because I don't have it, and I'm gonna sign in later. From here you can accept this and press confirm, and you can start using your browser normally now. No thanks. Just type in any website that you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like